Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to run Telegram ads. So let's get started. Open your browser and in the search bar, search for ads.telegram.org and it will redirect you to this page. Here click on login to start advertising and enter your phone number with your country code and click on next. Now Telegram will send you a message on your Telegram account. Here you can see the confirmation login message from Telegram. Click on it and over here click on confirm. Once you confirmed, it will redirect you to this interface over here. Click on create a new ad. Now fill up the details over here. Ad title and add body text over here. Now enter the URL of the channel, post or bot you want to promote. You can set the status of the ad to be active or you can keep it on hold. Let's keep it active for now. Also, you can even schedule your ad to run at a specific date or time. In this target specific channels, if you want to target users of some specific channel, you can add here as well. For example, now you can choose the CPM in TON. It is basically a cryptocurrency that you will be using for your ad payment. You can tell the Telegram what amount you would be comfortable paying for per 1000 impressions. Let's choose something like 0.20, which is corresponding to £1. Also, you can set daily views limit per user. Then set the initial budget in TON. And at last, accept all terms and conditions. Now click on create ad. Now you will see an error that your balance is too low. To fix that, click on add funds. Then you will be redirected to the Fragment payment gateway. Here you can connect your crypto wallet and add money to your account, and this money can be used to run ads on Telegram. So hope you guys find this information helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.